Okay, hello. So this is the tutorial, and first thing I need you to do is two things. The first one is open your slides for the Sunday, and second thing is go to your email. You should have received an event invitation. You scroll and look for this Join Microsoft Teams meeting, and you click on it. It will open a new window to ask you to either open Microsoft Teams or you can continue on this browser with no installation. So I'm gonna do the Teams application version first. So when you join the meeting, make sure that your video is off and you have to mute your mic because you don't want people to hear you. After these two settings are fixed, join the meeting. And when you see this, you are in the meeting already. So next, I need to go back to your PowerPoint slide and go into slideshow. After this, you Control or Command tab back into Teams, go back to Teams, and then you can share your screen. So you see this arrow button here pointing up, you click it and you choose the PowerPoint slideshow here, the one that you have gone into the slideshow. You click and it will go into this screen. You know it is sharing because of the red borders around the PowerPoint slide. So once you are here, you can click your slides as per normal. So use the down button, the up button. Yeah. It might be a little bit laggy, so you have to see the timing and then click as per normal. So now I'm going to go into the sermon slide. When we reach the sermon, if the preacher has a PowerPoint slide, it should be included in this file. Otherwise, it will be a little bit troublesome. So that is something that you have to take note. Otherwise, if the preacher has no PowerPoint slides, we want to see the preacher's face. So how do you end the share screen? Go to this corner. You see this button here? The same rectangle, but now it's a cross. This means stop sharing. So you just end and then you will be back into your meeting and then you'll see the preacher preaching. After the preacher is done with the preaching, share again and then you go back to your slideshow and you continue the slideshow as per normal for the response song and the rest of the service. So this is the way we do for the application. So next I'm going to teach you the browser way. So I have to end the call. Oh, by the way, to end the call, you click this red button here. And then your call is ended. Okay, so now for the browser option, click the same thing. You cancel. If you don't have the app, you cancel. And continue on this browser with no download or installation required. So after you click this, they will bring you to the meeting. And same thing, you want to ensure that your video and your audio is turned off. After you've ensured this, you join the meeting. After you have joined the meeting, click on this button, share, the same button, and they give you a whole lot of options, but you might not be able to find it. So you go to browse over here, browse, and look for your PowerPoint slide. Upload from my computer. So I'm going to look for my slides and then I will open. So this is your PowerPoint slide and you can click to the next slide, to the next slide, to the next slide as per normal. And if your preacher has PowerPoint, same thing, it should be included in this slide. If not, you can stop presenting using this button. And what is different about this web browser is that whenever you share a screen, it does not allow you to start from half the PowerPoint slide in. So what I suggest is that you save your PowerPoint as part 2, which begins from the preaching, the sermon slide. So when you open, right, you open a part 2, it does not jump all the way to the beginning of the service again. So you will realize that I'm actually halfway through, there's only 35 slides left because this is after the sermon. So when you click to the next slide, it's actually your song of response already. Alright, so at the end, you stop presenting and then you end the call with this red button.